Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you all are doing well, and I'm making this video to address all the questions that I have received so far. And so many people reached out to me, which was completely shocking and unexpected, so I'm very grateful for that. Now the questions were that where to begin, what DDS pathway is, what INBDE is, and what ECE is. So INBDE is basically a board exam that you need to pass in order to be eligible for advanced standing DDS program. Once you're done with your dental school here, then you can practice as a licensed dentist in the US. So that's what INBDE is and what its purpose is. So now moving on to the next question, that was where to begin. Now, if you're in your house job or in your final year or in any year of your life and you have decided to move to the US, just get your EC evaluation done, because that is literally the step one, and that is something जिसमें आपने बस फॉर्म फिल करने हैं और उसको सबमिट करना है और अपने फॉर्म्स भेजने हैं. So just don't delay. There's no point in delaying. और once आप EC evaluation करा लेते हैं, you get relaxed. मैंने step 1 ले लिया, अब तो करना पड़ेगा. तो इसलिए EC evaluation में आप जाओगे, आप उसकी वेबसाइट खोलो, वहां पे you can see if you have to apply for your US school or Canada, you can go to US one and you can then go for a course by course evaluation. And then you have to send your documents. आप DHL करा लो या whatever is convenient for you, and then you get your documents back, I think within 2 weeks. I got mine within a week. So easy scene and documents, original documents भेजने. So many questions were like, do we have to send the original ones? So yes, you have to, but you will get them back. So there's nothing to worry about it. And then the next question was that after ECE क्या करना है? So after ECE पढ़ना है, क्योंकि once आप इतने ECE पे पैसे लगा लेते हैं तो फिर आपने पढ़ना ही है. So पढ़ने का, I would always say to start with mental dental videos and then boot camp. What I did was that I did my all the mental dental videos first, made my notes, studied, and then I did boot camp and I revised the entire course with boot camp. So boot camp is extremely important. पहले मुझे लगता था कि लोग वो exaggerate कर रहे हैं, लेकिन नहीं. 80% of the exam is similar to boot camp. Even 20% of it, which is new, is not new. It's the same old. So इतना कोई crazy test नहीं है, इतना कोई मुश्किल test नहीं है, वो easy है. You just have to study. और ऐसा भी नहीं, ऐसे I studied a lot, लेकिन आई थिंक कि कुछ लोग उसको कम देर में भी कर लेंगे. सो बट व्हाट यू नीड टू मेक श्योर इज के दिस इज एन एग्जाम जिसका स्कोर आपको नहीं पता चलता. आपके लिए वो पास एंड फेल है, बट जिन यूनिवर्सिटीज में अप्लाई करते हो वहां पे आपका स्कोर विजिबल होता है. सो यू नीड टू एस इट इन ऑर्डर टू गेट इनटू अ डेंटल स्कूल. So just study as much as you can and as hard as you can so that you can get good scores. And you will never know what your scores are, but you need to try. जो आपके हाथ में है उसको आप करें और उसमें आप अपना 100% दें. So that is about the study part. Just do mental dental and boot camp, and at the end आप RQs करें. Mostly people are like कि end पे RQs नहीं छोड़ने चाहिए. They are a lot, but in the next videos I'll tell you how we solve the RQs. Other than that, the question that I received was when can we give the exam? So you can give the exam anytime. कभी भी आप दे दें, जब आपका दिल करे आप दे दें. थ्रू आउट द ईयर एग्जाम होता है. और फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप न्यूयॉर्क में रह रहे हैं और आपने 3 months बाद एग्जाम देना है, तो आप जहां आप रह रहे हैं आपके घर के आसपास भी बहुत ज्यादा प्रोमेट्रिक सेंटर्स होंगे जहां पे वो टेस्ट एवरी डे हो रहा है और उसकी डेट्स अवेलेबल होंगी. जो टेस्ट है वो 1-2 दिन का टेस्ट है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कंसेक्यूटिव डेज. यू कैन नॉट बुक द एग्जाम फॉर कंसेक्यूटिव डेज. सो first day it is of 8 hours and the next day it's 4 hours. So फिर आप अपना एग्जाम दें. बट the one thing that you need to keep in your mind is that if you're planning to apply to dental schools, then, and the cycle for the dental school starts in March every year, and yearly cycle है, साल में 2 दफा नहीं होती. So for example, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैंने 2026 की मार्च साइकिल में अप्लाई करना है, तो just make sure that you give your exam before March, क्योंकि रिजल्ट आते हुए भी 3 से 4 वीक्स लगते हैं. और वंस आपका रिजल्ट आ जाए उतनी देर में आपने टॉफल की तैयारी करनी है और आपने टॉफल देना है. और फिर आपके टॉफल के और INBDE के स्कोर्स आपकी कैपिट में जाते हैं, फिर आप अपने डेंटल स्कूल्स में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड कैपिट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. So that is why I would recommend for example, if you have to apply for next cycle, just give your exam before March. You have plenty of time to practice and to study for it. उसके अलावा क्वेश्चन ये था कि how long do I have to study? So honestly it depends on the individual. For example, मैंने 6 months study किया था because I wanted to be like, इसको miss नहीं करना कुछ भी, और I want to get to know, I wanted to know everything. I tried every resource. So it depends on you. If you just have to, I would recommend to stick to mental dental and bootcamp only, and then RQs. But if you want to try out any other source, that's up to you. And I think that's it for the questions that most commonly I received. Other than that, if you guys have any other question, just DM me on my Instagram page, or you can comment on the YouTube video and I'll just answer it there. And if you have any recommendations or any topic that you want me to discuss in the next video, just let me know. Thank you.